best way to make money on the web is through CPA marketing. Basically, instead of selling products, you'll be paid commission for just helping companies to generate leads. Which means no selling is required on your end. Here's what the first 3 videos consist of. Video 1, a complete overview of each training video. Video 2, what the heck is CPA marketing? Video 3, which companies can I trust? This is not a scam, but I would understand why you would think so. So let me prove it to you. Check out the rest in the link below.